How do AV over IP systems, especially ones that are SDVoE, compare to conventional matrix solutions?
Oh, thank you, Justin. That's a great question. So the previous circuit-based switching solutions, like this proprietary HD-based typical matrix switcher, they are dying because of cost and scale and complexity reasons. So typically AV convergence to IP in general, that streamlines audiovisual designs and simplify AV systems, making them more cost-effective, simpler, and more scalable. But typically, SDVoE technology, this platform, this ecosystem, really is the replacement for the old matrix switcher, because it delivers true 4K quality with a sub-millisecond latency and flawless image quality. So that's really what makes SDVoE technology unique, and it's leveraging something fantastic for us, networking vendors, 10 gigabit Ethernet. So 10 gigabit Ethernet is really the underlying layer 1, 2, 3, and 4 layers that will allow that flawless 4K quality with, again, a less than a millisecond of latency, virtually 0 frame latency.